Well, it's another sunny day at Dynodaze. And what does that mean? That's right, another FN2 Civic to map. And look at this beauty. It's got some nice bits that I can see already. Yes, very nice, very nice. What do you think to that, guys? Well, this is our task for today. Get some power out of her, get her mapped up on the Ecutek software, and see what we can do. Oh, I do love my job sometimes. Look at that. The customer's filling in his form, his disclaimer, industry standard, get all the details off him, see what mods he's made. Richard will have a look over it, do some health checks, and then we will get her onto the dyno and do a standard power run. So yeah, let's get cracking. Morning, Rich.
Morning, Daniel.
I'm stood in front of the fan because, again, I'm hot.
Oh, you're hot?
I'm still hot. So,
I mean, for the YouTube fans, you've not mentioned it, have you?
no, I'm still hot. I'm still hot. What?
No. I just want to tell you I'm hot.
You're hot?
I'm hot. I think I've got a bit of a red face and there's stuff coming from my forehead.
What, like water?
Yeah.
Is it salty?
Yeah, it is a little, yeah.
Gives a go. How are you, man? Other than being bloody hot, I had my boobs out a minute ago.
This has been quite challenging, I'll be honest with you.
This car?
Yeah. It's not played ball, but it has had quite a few different characteristics to a normal car. It's got a different throttle body on it, which we don't necessarily or haven't yet tuned on, and it seems to be. I think it's flowing really, really well because it's needing a lot more fuel, about 20% more fuel than what we would normally see with these mods. So it's yeah, sort of a little bit confusing, but I'm doing what I'm doing as the car is requesting.
We're currently about 10 brake horsepower up on its previous map.
Yeah, okay, well that's okay, isn't it?
It's some gains, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, the car's been mapped by a professional and Richard.
Yeah, and me.
What's up, Rich?
What?
What's up?
I think I've missed Jason for the first time today.
Is this because you're lying underneath a red hot car?
This is because this is Jason's job. Jason!
He can't hear you.
No, I just wanted to check in case.
He was on the live chat earlier.
Was he?
Yeah. Oh, bless him. Jason, see, look how valuable you were, mate. Look how valuable.
I've missed him for the first time in, what is it, 4 weeks now?
Yeah.
5 weeks?
Yeah. I tell you who is missing him.
Who?
Cobslag.
Is she?
Yeah.
I thought she looked a bit greyer than normal this morning.
Yeah, she's stressed out, man. Her 5-year plan's all gone to pot. The bank manager wants to talk to her just because Jason's not eating 15 cobs a day.
Yeah.
She's actually removed some of her lines, like, you know, the pasty she did.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have any pasty, any flavour pasty you want as long as it's chicken tikka.
Yeah, because she's got like 6,000 of them left.
Yeah. So she stopped doing chicken tikka.
Did we get a call from Andrex the other day as well, asking us why we weren't using so much bog roll?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, because I got a good discount on that.
Yeah.
And now obviously I'm only buying 1 or 2 rolls a week. My price, yeah, you know, it's bottom line. That's what it's all about. The accountant's going to be like, "You've done well this year, Dan." I'm enjoying like the floor's quite cold.
It is actually all right.
It's quite nice. So you know, later when I'm dying because it's too hot, you'll find me lying on the workshop floor. Well, let's go talk about this car.
Yeah, come on.
Here we are. So this car's now completed. We've mapped it. It mapped up quite nicely. It was mapped previously by another tutor. Did a bloody good job as well. But it's come back. It's come to us. You know, he wanted nice pops and bags and flames and stuff. And also at the same point, we thought, well, let's see if we can get a bit more power out of her because that's our job. That was our mandate, and we did indeed get a little bit more. Now, like Rich said earlier, there was nothing wrong with the original map. But we have gained about 10 brake horsepower. So at the wheels, we are up by, what's that? 17718, about 13 wheel horsepower. And as you can see, the graph's nice. So yeah, so job well done. And we finish on 225 brake horsepower, which is, like I say, about a 10 brake horsepower gain. You happy with that, Richard? You want to add anything?
No, I don't think so. The only thing, we've got a Middlesex exhaust on. 2.5 inch, but then steps down to 2-inch tailpipes, which seems to always be the way when you've got the twin exits.
Yeah.
So it steps down to 2 inch. I think that's possibly where we've lost the sort of 5 brake horsepower that I would expect with the mods that it's got on it.
Yeah.
Because obviously its listing said 2.5 inch exhaust, which it is. He's not telling a lie, but obviously when it gets to the tailpipes, it's not. So I think that's what's probably costing the extra 5 brake that I feel this car should have made.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, customers happy. So.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If it's your first time on the Dynodaze YouTube channel, do drop us a like and a comment. Do subscribe if you fancy it, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.